Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to curve text in Canva. First, let's start by creating a new design or editing an existing one. Click on Text on the left sidebar. Choose Add a Text Box or select any from the default text styles below. Then enter your text. Now, click off the text box, and then click on it again to select it. Next, go to Effects at the top of the screen. Scroll down and click on Curve to apply the curve effect. To adjust the curve, scroll down a bit more. Here, you can tweak the curvature to your liking. Adjust the slider to the left to curve it upwards, or right if you want it downwards. And that's it! That's how you quickly curve text in Canva. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.